Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math quickly. First, pinpoint exactly where your understanding falters. Don't just guess. Actively test yourself to find those weak spots. Once identified, dedicate your energy to truly grasping the fundamental concepts rather than rote memorization. Consistent, focused practice, even for short periods like 30 minutes each day, builds strong foundational skills and accelerates your learning process significantly. To truly accelerate your math learning, engage in active strategies. Don't just read, actively solve problems, articulating each step aloud as if you're teaching it. This process reveals any gaps in your logic. Furthermore, try explaining a concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. If you can teach it, you understand it. Supplement your learning with various resources, including online videos and different textbooks for multiple perspectives. Learning math quickly doesn't mean it's always easy. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more digestible components. This makes the task less daunting and easier to approach. Don't hesitate to seek assistance. Tutors, teachers, or online communities can provide invaluable insights. Remember to maintain a positive attitude and acknowledge your progress, no matter how small, to stay motivated on your learning journey. To sustain your rapid math learning, consistent review is key. Regularly revisit older topics to keep them fresh in your mind and strengthen your recall. Also, look for opportunities to apply your math skills in everyday situations. This makes the concepts more tangible and meaningful. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to see amazing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.